Hurricane Debby made landfall early Monday morning near Steinhatchee, Florida, bringing devastating power and heavy rainfall to Sarasota and in the surrounding areas. With winds reaching up to 75 miles per hour, the storm caused widespread flooding and hazardous driving conditions, including the inundation of Philippi Creek. As the storm passed through Sarasota, residents were advised to take shelter and stay informed through reliable news sources. The city of Sarasota declared a local state of emergency in response to the storm's impact, and local authorities worked tirelessly to clear debris and restore essential services. Despite these efforts, the aftermath of Hurricane Debby is expected to be long-lasting, with cleanup and recovery efforts likely to take several weeks. However, the strength and unity of the Sarasota community will be crucial in overcoming the storm's effects and beginning the process of rebuilding and recovering.